Dear friends, today I am going to discuss robotics in primary education. Introducing robotics in primary education can have numerous benefits for young learners. It is hands-on and engaging way to introduce concepts related to science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, and other important skills like problem solving, critical thinking, teamwork, and creativity. Here is how you can incorporate robotics into primary education. Age appropriate robotics kits. Choose robotics kits that are designed for primary school students. These kits typically include components that are safe and easy to assemble, along with simple programming interfaces suitable for young learners. Basic programming skills. Introduce basic programming skills using visual programming languages or block-based coding environments. This allows young students to control robotics using a drag and drop approach, making it easier for them to understand the logic behind programming. Hands-on activities. Design activities that encourage hands-on exploration and experimentation. For example, have students build simple robots that can move, turn, or follow a path. This helps them understand basic engineering principles. Problem solving challenges. Create challenges requiring students to solve real world problems using robots. This could involve navigating through a maze, picking up objects, or completing a task. Now we have guest speakers and field trips. Bring in experts from the field of robotics or take students on field trips to robotics labs or companies. This exposes them to real world applications of robotics and inspire their interest towards the field. Integration with curriculum. Integrate robotics into existing subjects like science, math, and even language arts. For instance, students can program a robot to act out a scene from a story they have read or use robots to simulate scientific experiments. Collaborative learning. Another good idea is collaborative learning. Encourage teamwork and collaboration by having students work in pairs or small groups. This promotes communication, cooperation, and sharing of ideas. Creativity and adaptability. Encourage students to experiment and modify their robots. Let them come up with creative ideas for how their robots can perform different tasks. Showcase and competitions. Organize showcases or mini competitions where students can demonstrate their robots' abilities. This can foster a sense of achievement and pride, motivating them to continue exploring robots. Long-term projects is also a beneficial thought. Consider engaging students in long-term robotic projects. This allows them to experience the entire process of design, construction, programming, testing, and refining. Remember, the primary goal is to spark curiosity for learning rather than focusing on technical skills. By incorporating robotics in primary education, you can provide young learners with valuable experiences that lay a strong foundation for their future learning and development in this field of STEM. I hope you have got the idea how you can introduce robotics in primary education effectively. Thank you very much.